Hi! In front of me is Motorola G54 and today I would like to show you how you can remove Google search bar from home screen. You need to begin by holding your search bar and waiting for remove option to show up. When it does, you need to drag your search bar on top of it. And when you see that it's turned see-through, let go. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully removed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!